Good morning, students. You are welcome in Nandev Academy. Today we are studying the quadratic equation. You have studied quadratic polynomial last year. Now we are studying the quadratic equation. This is chapter number 2 of standard 10 quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and 2 is the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. In ax square means in equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers, and at the same time a is not equal to 0 means a, b, c are real number and a is not equal to 0 means if given equation is quadratic equation, then a must not be 0, b may be 0, c may be 0, but a must be non-zero real numbers. Okay, for example 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. According to our definition, the equation involving one variable and 2 is the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. In equation 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3, 4, 1, 3 is the coefficient of x square, 4 is the coefficient of middle term, and 1 is constant. These three numbers are real numbers and 3 is not equal to 0. And in the equation, x is the only variable and its maximum index is 2. Therefore, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Any quadratic equation has two sides. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Second problem, second example, 5x square is equal to 36. 5x square is equal to 36. Now we transfer 36 to right hand side, then 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. In this equation, there are only two terms. Means this is a first term, this is a constant last term, and middle term is missing. So we will write like this: 5x square plus 0x minus 36 is equal to 0. This equation fulfill the conditions of quadratic equation because 5, 0 and minus 36 are real numbers. 5 is not equal to 0 and x is only variable and maximum index of variable is 2. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. 5x square plus 0x minus 36 is a quadratic equation. Therefore, the given equation 5x square is equal to 36 is a quadratic equation. So, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to quadratic equation. 5x square is equal to 36 is also a quadratic equation. So, these are the examples of quadratic equation. Now, let us start practice set 2.1. Question number 1. Write any two quadratic equations. Write any two quadratic equations. Answer. you have to write only two quadratic equation, because problem is write any two quadratic equation. So we can write two quadratic equation. X square plus 4x plus 5. This is a quadratic equation, because this equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is only variable, its index is 2, and coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 4, and constant is 5. So 1, 4, 5 are real numbers, and at the same time 1 is not equal to 0. Second, 4x square is equal to 9. This is also quadratic equation. But this is a quadratic equation. I have written this quadratic equation. I say this is a quadratic, but why? Why is it quadratic equation? Because let us write this equation in general form. How we can write? How can we write this equation in general form? 4x square minus 9 is equal to 0. I have transferred 9 to left hand side, therefore 9 goes to left hand side and its sign change from positive to negative. Okay, so 4x square. Now there are only two terms. So in quadratic equation there are three terms. There must be three terms, but here are only two terms. One term is missing. So we have to write missing term, that is middle term, plus 0x minus 9 is equal to 0. 4x square plus 0x minus 9 is equal to 0 is in standard form. This equation fulfills the all conditions of quadratic equation. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, this is also a quadratic equation. So, our answer is equation number 1, x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0, and equation number 2, 4x square is equal to 2, 9. These are two quadratic equations. Now, question number 2. Decide, and then third one, decide which of the following equation decide which of the following equations are quadratic equations. Following equations are quadratic equation. One, zero. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation because it has a two sides. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. We have to decide whether it is a quadratic equation or not. How can we decide this equation is quadratic or not? Yes, we can decide. How? X square plus 5x, answer x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a given equation. This equation is in the form of general, or this equation is in general form of quadratic equation. Why? So coefficient of x square is 1, 5x is coefficient of 5x is 5, and here minus 2. So 1, 5 and minus 2 are real numbers, and at the same time coefficient of x square is not equal to 0. Here is only variable x, and maximum index of variable is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. We write here given equation are given in this equation. In this equation, x is only variable, and highest power or maximum index, highest index or maximum index is a 2. Therefore the given equation is in the standard form, and in this equation x is only variable and highest index is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. We have to decide only whether it is a quadratic or not. So given equation is quadratic. This equation x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now we see the second problem of question number 2. Y square is equal to five y minus 10. Answer. We write here y square is equal to 5y minus 10. This is given. Now we transfer 5y and minus 10 to left hand side. So y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. This equation is in standard form, and in this equation y is a only variable and highest degree or highest index is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. We write here in this equation, y is only variable and highest index is a 2. Therefore given means this equation, this is a quadratic equation, this is a quadratic equation. Therefore the given equation is quadratic equation. Now we can write like this also. In this equation, y is only variable and y's index is 2. Therefore, y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Therefore, given equation is a quadratic equation. Therefore, given equation, this is the equation, but we have to decide whether it is quadratic or not. So, given equation is a quadratic equation. Now we see third number problem. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. So, this is some different problem. In this problem, answer y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. This is given. In this equation, y is in denominator and we have to eliminate this y. How we can eliminate? So, we will multiply both sides of the equation by y. Multiplying both sides of equation by y. We will multiply the given equation by y. What will happen? Y into y square plus 1 upon y is equal to y into 2. So, y into y square, we will multiply this bracket by y. Y into y square, y cube. Y into 1 plus y. Y into 1y upon y. Y upon y is equal to 1. So, 1 is equal to 2y. Now, y cube minus 2y plus 0. This is simplified form. But in this equation, highest index of variable, highest index of variable y is how much? That is 3. Y is a 3 and not a 2. Our condition is that highest index must be 2, but here highest index is 3. Therefore, the given equation, this is our given equation. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, students, we have solved 3 problems of question number 2 and first problem. So, remaining problem we will solve in next period. So, students, if you are satisfied, please subscribe channel, like it and share it. Thank you.